What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how you can use the mini RF1 V2 charge package with the master slave function. Now for today we're only going to be using 4 of our lights from the case, but remember you can use the same exact steps if you want to set up more of your lights. To do this we'll first want to set all of our slave lights to slave mode by double pressing the power button until the LED indicator flashes twice quickly. We're also going to want to set our lights to the same color group by single pressing the power button to change the color to red, green, yellow, or blue. For today, let's set them to the red color group. Next, I'm going to want to go to the light I want to use as my master light, so it's going to be this one right here, and set it to the RF mode. You'll know your light is in RF mode when the LED indicator is lit to a solid color and not blinking. I'm also going to want to set the RF group on my remote to the same color I set my lights to, and I'm going to do that by pressing the RF group button here until the color on the remote matches the color I set my lights to. So in this case, I'm going to want to keep pressing the RF group button until it flashes red. So from here I can set the master light to any mode or color I want it set to, and then I'm going to set the master light to master mode by double pressing the power button until the LED indicator flashes once. And then as soon as I set the light to master mode, all of the slave lights start to follow. Now if we ever want to make any changes for our lights, I'm going to go to the master light and set it back to RF mode. Again, you can tell your light is in RF mode when the LED indicator is a solid color. Then from here, I can switch my light to any different mode or any different color. Then I can set the light back to master mode by double pressing the power button until the LED indicator flashes once quickly. And then again, all of these slave lights will follow the master light. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to use the master slave function with the mini RF1 V2 charge package. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.